Guess who's back? Back again. I'm back. Tell a friend. Guess who's back? Guess who's back? Guess who's back? Guess who's back? Hey, what's going on YouTube? I'm back again. I was gone for about 8 months. Not really going to get into why I've been gone from YouTube for about 8 months. We'll save that for another time. But got a new video here. I'm going to talk about why it's just a really terrible idea why you should get Catless mid-pipes, or why you shouldn't get Catless mid-pipes on your 392 Hemi Charger, or any Hemi Charger, Challenger for that matter. It's just a bad idea, guys. I've got 5 or so reasons here why you shouldn't get Catless mid-pipes. I appreciate the new subscribers that have subscribed to the channel, and I appreciate the subscribers that have stuck around while I've been gone for 7 or 8 months. Alright guys, hope you enjoy the video. Here's the cold start from inside the car. Here's how loud it is. I got about 4 or 5 reasons here why it's just a terrible freaking idea to get Catless mid-pipes on your 392 Hemi Charger, Daytona, Scat Pack, SRT, Hellcat, 345 RT. Don't matter. It's just a bad idea all around. Mid-pipes, I don't care if it's JBA mid-pipes or Stainless Works or somebody else. It's nothing against JBA. It's just, they're not good. But here's the reasons why. They're freaking illegal. You might get a ticket, you might get pulled over. Cops are going to hear you when you drive by. They're not going to like it. It might not be illegal in every state, but I think there's a lot of states where they are illegal, especially if you're in California. They got that loud exhaust laws out there where they'll check it and ticket you just like that. So it's illegal. You might get a ticket. You probably don't want that. Number 2, I mean, you're not going to pass emissions. Depending on the emissions test that you get, you probably aren't going to pass. So when I do get my emissions test in 1 year, I've almost had my car 1 year now. So to renew the license in my state after another year, after 2 years I have to renew my license plates in my state, I will have to pass an emissions test. Not a state inspection test, which is pretty stupid, but it will have to pass emissions. So I may or may not. Of course, if it's not going to pass, I'll have to take the Catless mid-pipes off, put the cats back on. So that'll be a pretty major pain in the ass just to be able to pass emissions. So that's another reason why it's a bad idea. Third reason, smell gas. I mean, sitting at a stoplight for a long time, or you're in a drive-through or something, you're just sitting there, the car's idling, or it's been running for a while, you can smell gas. Who the hell wants to smell gas? I don't want to smell gas. But since I've got Catless Midpipes, sometimes I have to smell gas. And don't get me wrong, it's not terrible, but it's a smell nonetheless. And it's probably not very good to breathe in, especially if you've got kids in the car or something. It's not good. So, fourth reason, just neighbors. If you care about your neighbors, you should not get Catless Midpipes or straight pipes or any other loud exhaust for that matter. Now, I'm not necessarily saying I really care if my neighbors get pissed, but I mean, it's not very courteous as a neighbor, I guess, especially for me, because I leave for work at 4:30 in the morning, and that's probably a lot earlier than most of my neighbors. And when I start this thing, it's pretty dang loud. You can hear it halfway up the street. Now, my neighbors don't really complain, which is a good thing, so I'd probably just tell them, too bad. But your neighbors might complain. So there's another reason. Reason number 5, turns your exhaust tips brown, nasty color. Here, I'll show you the exhaust tips here. Let me put a clip in here showing you the nastiness of the chrome tips. If you got chrome exhaust tips, it just turns them brown. I can polish them up, get them to shine again, and 200 or 300 miles, they're like a brownish, nasty color again. If you have black exhaust tips, probably won't show it as bad, so that's something I may do at some point, put some black tips on there. But that's another reason. Reason number 6, I guess, is probably the last reason I got. It's just too freaking loud. It's obnoxious. I mean, people don't want to ride with you. You gotta listen to it. You go on a road trip, you're gonna hear it. The car's loud. Not everybody likes it. It's just too loud. So your neighbors don't like it, your wife might not like it, your friends might like it, but it might get old after a while. For a lot of people, it's just going to be too dang loud. So there you go, guys. Don't get Catless Midpipes or straight pipes on your Hemi. It's just too dang loud. It's just not worth it. It's not legal in most states. You have to smell gas all the time. Your neighbors get pissed at you. It's just not a good idea. So alright guys, reasons why you should not get Catless Midpipes. Thanks for watching this video. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe, like, comment, share this video, and comment and let me know what you guys think of the video. Thanks for watching. See you guys in the next one.